I'll be buying hair online and that'll be favorable to me. Even this one I put. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Blazing Ivy, and if you are new here, you are welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss my future videos. And if you are a returning subscriber, you are welcome. I do appreciate your support. I'll be sharing with you my favorite hair vendors on Aliexpress, and some time ago I bought things online. I bought them from Wish precisely, and to my greatest surprise I did receive all the things I bought. So, and I said I'll never buy something online again until I heard about Aliexpress, and ever since I've been using Aliexpress, it's been amazing. Like all the things I've bought so far, they have delivered to me. Buying hair online and that'll be favorable to me. Even this one I put on, bought it online. So you can imagine this. It pays. They are good hair vendors, not all of them are scam. So I love official store on Aliexpress. They sell 100% human hair. They sell Remy hair, they sell Brazilians, and their hair is super gorgeous, like super soft. They have good hair. They sell in bundles, so I will recommend them also. Okay, King Rosa Queen. King Rosa Queen sells all type of wigs. They sell afro coils, they sell body wave, just all kind of wigs, and they are very affordable, and they are original human hair. The delivering is very fast. So I recommend this store, and I recommend you purchase for that. You'll be happy with what you purchase with your money. So the next one I'll be talking about is Olive Hair. Olive Hair sells human hair. They sell 100% human hair. They sell Remy hair, Brazilian hair, and they are also very affordable. They sell in bundles with closure and frontal. So if you are a fan of frontal, they have it. If you are a fan of closures, they have line. I will recommend this store to you guys. They sell affordable hair also. They sell in bundles with closure and frontals, and they also have a good review about them. And